Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you a super simple and effective way to increase video quality in Premiere Pro. Let's dive right in. To begin, we need to create an adjustment layer. This will allow us to apply changes to multiple clips at once without affecting the original footage. Go to the Project panel on the left side of Premiere Pro. Click the New Item button at the bottom of the panel. Select Adjustment Layer from the drop-down menu. When the Adjustment Layer dialog box pops up, simply click OK to confirm. Once the adjustment layer is created, drag it onto your timeline. Place it above the clips you want to enhance. Ensure the adjustment layer extends across all the clips where you want to improve the video quality. You can resize the adjustment layer to cover multiple clips at once, saving you time if you're editing several clips. Now it's time to add some effects. Head over to the Effects panel on the right side of Premiere Pro and type Sharpen into the search bar. Next up, we'll add another effect to really bring out the details in your footage. In the Effects panel, search for Unsharp Mask. Just like before, drag the Unsharp Mask effect onto the adjustment layer. With the adjustment layer selected, go to the Effect Controls panel at the top left of your screen. Set the sharpen amount to 20. Set the amount to 100 and the radius to 3. These values will enhance your video without making it look overly sharpened. Play back your video and compare the results with and without the effects applied. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.